This video will demonstrate the Mass Properties and Bill of Materials commands. The Mass Properties command will calculate the values of mass, volume, centroid, moments of inertia, etc. Using the command dialog, you can place the user coordinate system in alignment with the centroid of the assembly. By rotating the top of the excavator and recalculating the mass properties, you see that the centroid position changes. During the Bill of Materials command, you're able to customize your Bill of Materials through the command dialog. Add a column for mass and one for materials, and give it a hierarchical structure. Now place the Bill of Materials in the model space. Use the quad to easily export the Bill of Materials to a .csv file format. You can now see the Bill of Materials, with all parts included in the assembly, displayed in Excel.